What is going on, y'all? I'm back with another video, and it is finally time to start bow hunting again. Georgia's bow season just opened up yesterday. This is Sunday evening. This will be my first sit of the year, so I'm super pumped, super stoked. I've been getting a lot of pictures of does on this spot. I've got some corn out. Hate me if you want for baiting, but I'm here to fill the freezer, so that's what we're going to try to do today. I've been seeing a few decent bucks, a couple different decent bucks on camera, but they're completely nocturnal right now. The red oaks just started dropping, so they aren't really interested in corn anyway. And hopefully, I mean, there's very likely I could catch one slipping through there because I'm in some red oaks, pretty sweet spot. I'm up on a bench, so hopefully I'll get a shot at a doe, maybe even a buck. You just never know. We're gonna walk in here optimistic. It's 92 degrees, so it's gonna be a hot one, but that's early season bow hunting. It's just part of it. But I'm feeling pretty good. I think I should get a shot. I'm shooting my Matthews Halon. Got my arrows tipped with G5 Mega Meats. I just started using those last year. Really like them so far. If I get a chance at a quartering shot on a doe today, I'm gonna try it. Just want to test out these things on a quartering shot. That's most people's biggest argument on mechanical broadheads is the quartering shot. And I used to shoot fixed blades up until last year. Started shooting these just so I don't have to re-sight in field points, so I can practice whenever I want to and it not be a headache. But enough talking. It's time to get out here. It's a beautiful day. God's blessed us with a good one. I'm excited to be out here. They're giving a little bit of chance of rain later around 7 o'clock, so hopefully that steers clear and we don't have that happen, but if it does, it'll be alright. I brought the little canopy umbrella thing for the stand so I can cover up the camera, so it'll be alright. But I'm gonna get out here. Hopefully we can put one on the ground. They've been showing up around 6 o'clock or so, and several does coming in throughout the rest of the evening. There's a ton of does on this property, so we really need to knock back the population, and that'll help the bucks. So that's what we're doing. Time to go fill the freezer. And Buck is super anxious. It's been a long time since he's blood trailed a deer. But we'll find out. I need to apologize for the audio. It's probably going to be pretty rough. My mic gave up on me and quit, so I'm waiting on a new one to come in, so hang in there with me. I know it's probably pretty rough, but we're just going to make it work. Well, let's get out here. It's about 3:30. I'm going to be up in the stand by 3:45 or so. Short walk. The best kind of walk when it's hot. But let's get after it. I'll catch you guys on the tree. Got set up in the stand. Took me a second. I had to get my bow hanger up and get the camera arm and everything going, but I made it. My wind is really bad. It's swirling, and I keep feeling it at the back of my neck and go straight up on the ridge where they're probably going to come from, so I doubt that it's going to work tonight, but I'm going to go ahead and stick it out. It's the first sit of the year. I might get one come in from behind me. That worked out. If that was the case, I'd be in good shape there, but got a big food plot right here behind me. I can't shoot into it. It's right out there. But there's a bench right here below me that these deer are using big time. I mean, there's like a highway on it. A lot of good sized rubs from last year, so I know the bucks are going to be working it during the rut. I mean, I've got next time I turn the camera on, we'll have a deer working our way. See what happens. It's about 15 till 6 now. I haven't seen anything yet, but it's getting closer to that time. The wind is a little better. It's still swirling every now and then, but for the most part it's coming out of the southwest, so I'm in good shape there. And they called off the rain forecast, so that's awesome. You can't ever trust them. If I would have trusted them, I wouldn't have come on, because they were given like a 60% chance of thunderstorms at 7 o'clock, and now there's nothing. And nothing on the radar, so it worked out pretty good. I'm glad I came. Right in the middle of a thunderstorm, buddy. I'm telling you what, this camera's all jacked up. First shot of the season. Pumped up. Let's go. Hopefully she doesn't go too far. Like, I don't think I got very good penetration, but hopefully I got enough to get into her vitals. Let's go. Alright. Man, I'm fired up. I'm still shaking like a leaf. Oh, I was getting really discouraged too. I've only got like 20 more minutes of shooting like. And with this storm here, the wind's been going all over the place, so I was nervous. Didn't think that they were going to show up, but they finally did. First sit of the year in a thunderstorm. We'll take it. I'm gonna shut this thing down and get packed up here. Definitely gonna give her a while and get Buck on the track. I'm gonna need him, I know that. It's not a very good shot. Gonna go get the deer. Let's go. I think he's fired up. We're gonna go get the deer. Are you ready? Let's go. I gotta get a knife. Alright guys, we just made it back out here to the spot. It's still raining a little bit, so there's probably not going to be a whole lot of blood to find. I watched that footage back. I think that I hit her in the opposite shoulder, so I think that I got enough penetration to kill her. And hopefully she's laying up in the woods. When I was climbing down out of my tree, I couldn't film all this because it was pouring rain. But when I was climbing down out of the tree, I got about halfway down my ladder and I could see my luminoc up in the woods through the trees. It was dark, so I couldn't tell anything about it. I could just see the light glowing about 80 yards off, so it might have been closer than that. I'm just guessing 80 yards. It was dark. Well, we got Buck here. He's a secret weapon. He's fired up as all get out. It's first track of the year, so I'm excited for him too. But see if we can put Buck to work and find the deer. I'm feeling optimistic. I've got the drag strap on, so let's see if we can find him. Let's go. He smells where they were. Alright, can I use that bigger light?
Yeah.
I might trade you for a second. Find the blood. Easy. Good boy. Good boy. It's gonna be so hard to see blood. I'm just gonna let him do his thing and we'll see what he takes. Good boy, Buck. Good boy. Well, that's not what we were hoping for here. Hold on, stay. It's covered in blood. I think I got pretty good penetration. Look, that's blade's all bent up from the shoulder. Buck, hold on. You got all wrapped up. Hold on a second. Dang, I'm glad we have him. There is no blood. I mean, we'd probably be able to find a little bit, but it's hard to tell how much penetration I got because there's blood all the way up to the fletchings. But we'll just keep following Buck. Look right here. Dude, he's such a good dog. Oh my gosh. Good boy, Buck. She's a good sized doe.
Oh yeah, she's pretty.
That's the biggest one that came out. She didn't go very far.
No, not really.
You think like 80 yards or so? Good boy. Oh, I'm glad I trusted him. When he started going uphill, it made me kind of nervous. But when there's no finding blood, it's pouring rain. I'm super excited about this one.
Hold on. There's a bug on the lens.
Really?
Horsefly.
No way.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
This is his first track in the rain, and he did really good. It was a pretty easy one. She didn't go, but I don't know, probably 80 yards. But that's gonna wrap up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. First sit of the year. Super pumped that I got to put an arrow in one. This will be the first of many this year, hopefully, and hopefully the first of many tracks for Buck. He did a great job. Super impressed that he found this one so quick in the rain. He took us right to her. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like the video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, tell your friends, do all the deal. I appreciate it so much. Makes it a lot more fun putting out these videos and getting to film everything I do. I just enjoy it a lot. So thank you guys for checking it out. I appreciate it, but got a lot of work to get to tonight. Gonna drag her back down to the truck and get her home and get her taken care of, and we'll have back straps on the grill tomorrow. Super excited. All right, we'll catch you guys in the next video. G5 Mega Meats did it again.